What if we could turn a simple idea into a beautiful vanity table in SketchUp? Hello guys, welcome to the Nice Tower. Here we create amazing 3D models and show useful SketchUp tips and tricks. If you love 3D design, you're in the right place. So let's get started and design our vanity table. First of all, we need to draw a rectangle, lock the axis by arrow keys, type the dimensions 126 by 75 centimeters. Then select the surface, right click on it, make a group, go inside the group by using push pull tool, extrude it for 55 centimeters. Then use again push pull tool to extrude it and press the Ctrl to make a copy of that for 4 centimeters. Then select this edge, use move tool, the shortcut is M, which I normally utilize the shortcut of move tool. Lock the axis, press the Ctrl to make a copy, move it till here, divide by 4. After this, select these edges, lock the axis, move it till here, type the number 61 centimeters. After this, make another copy of that for 10 centimeters. Then guys, we should eliminate extra lines which are not necessary. So guys, we should select these two edges and make another copy of them. Write the number 47 centimeters. Right now we just need to select the push pull tool, extrude it for 53 centimeters. So guys, we should create offset from some of these surfaces, 0.2 centimeters, and this also should be created an offset. Then the surface that you created on an offset, right click on that surface and make it component. Then again, this one also should be made component. Then I will describe you why I make component instead of making the group. Then use flip tool, move it till here, press the Ctrl to make a copy of that. Then select this surface, use move tool, lock the axis, press the Ctrl to make a copy, type 3x to make multiple copies of that. Select this surface and this surface at the same time, use flip tool, press the Ctrl to make copy. Also, we should extrude this surface as well, this side, and also this side should be extruded. So guys, we successfully could extrude this one, and here you will realize a feature that component has. However, a group doesn't have this feature. For instance, I make change this component for 1.5 centimeters. I extrude this one. All of these surfaces that I copied from this component have changed. So it means that the component has a very exceptional and a great feature that group doesn't have this feature. So this is the difference between the component and group. So our table is ready, so let's get started drawing our shelf. Type the dimension 25 by 80 centimeters. Then make a component, go inside the component and create an offset. The shortcut of offset is F. Make an offset for 1.5 centimeters. Then select this surface by choosing the scale tool, eliminate the below edge, then select the below edge, lock the axis, press the Ctrl in order to make multiple copies. So then again select these two lines and move it down, press the Ctrl, type 0.5 centimeters. Select this surface and this surface, make them group, then extrude this for 15 centimeters. Next, go inside the group, extrude them for 15 centimeters as well. Next, apply the glass material to it. Just by pressing the B, you can apply a glass material to it. After that, by using the flip tool, you can easily make another copy of that by pressing Ctrl. You see, if we make it seem more beautiful, I think it's better to extrude it a bit more, because right now you see, guys, it's more beautiful than before. And right now we should draw our mirror. We draw a rectangle up to here, then make it group. Go inside the group, create an offset for 7 centimeters. Then by selecting the scale tool, move it up to here. Then we can, you see, it creates a hole. By pressing the Ctrl, you can fill that hole. So we should extrude it for 1 centimeters. This also 0.4 centimeters. Then we should apply a mirror material to this. And as you see, guys, our vanity table is ready. We place our makeup items. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.